This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Bob McGinnis. Super quality new construction home, 2x6 exterior walls, approx 24 inches ceiling insulation. Lighting in all closets, 4+ bedrooms, 3 baths, open concept, main floor laundry with additional laundry hookup in basement. 200 AMP panel, USB hookups in kitchen. Great composite deck with natural gas hookup for gas grill, high F water heater and high EFF furnace. All lighting in the house is LED, 2 stall attached insulated, heated garage with tall door, radon mitigation system, lawn sprinkler. Carpet can be installed in spare basement room with acceptable offer. Includes 1-year home warranty. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob McGinnis at